Hi, my name is Raf and today I will show you how to add days to the date. As you can see in the column A, I have random dates and I want to add some number of days, let's say that 1 year, to those dates. Let's type here the number of days for 1 year, which is in most cases 365, and then I will show you two ways to do it. First, we need to get rid of the format. So let's go to the format and change it to the general, and then we have number of days. The first way, which is probably the most common one, is to add the formula. So let's select the date from the column A and then add those number of days, 365. But before I will press enter, I will press also F4 to add those dollar signs so we can then have a reference to that cell. And as you can see, I just press enter and we have all of the dates added. Just check it. For example, that one we have 26th of July 2016, and then we have 1 year later exactly this is what we wanted. As you probably noticed, for me the dates are filled automatically. This is because I have formatted column A as a table, but probably in many cases you won't have it formatted as a table, so I will show you how to deal in such situation. Just copy those data somewhere else, for example here, and let's do the same. So add the date to the number of days, then press F4 once again and then enter. And if you want to fill this formula automatically, double click on that little square on the right of that cell. And as you can see, the formula is automatically inserted to all of the cells. Okay, but that was not the primary scope of our video, so I will delete all those rows. And then I will show you the second way. Let me delete that column. And now go to that number of days, then copy it. You can use Ctrl+C shortcut. And what we need to do next is to select all of the dates we have. So just press the first date and then holding Ctrl and Shift, press the down arrow. All of the dates are now selected. Now just right click on your mouse button on that area, then go to Paste Special, and under the operation we want to select Add. Now we can press OK, and what happened? At the first glance we have some strange numbers, but don't worry, those are exactly the numbers which we want, but they are in the wrong format, so we just need to go and change the format to the date format, so I will choose short date. And as you can see, we have our dates added now. The reason we had such a strange format is because when we copy the number of days, we also copy the format. So as you can see, we have general format of that one, and we are moving this general format also to those dates. So that is one inconvenience of that method. It's completely up to you which method you will choose. On the first method, we had the new dates in the next column, and in the second method, we have our dates directly pasted in the first column, which means that they overwrite the previous dates.